Five Tiles works on all Android devices, so you can find it on the Play Store. You have to look for Five Tiles keyboard and you can install it for free. As you can see, the keyboard does not require any special permissions, which means we are not capturing any data, and it's very safe to use. After you downloaded and installed the keyboard, the next step is to open it, and you have two steps to follow. First, you need to activate the keyboard. So you look for Five Tiles Pro, you activate, and the next thing is to select the keyboard as the preferred keyboard. So once you downloaded and activated the keyboard, it's time to start writing. You can go to any text input app, and this is your keyboard. So first I would like to explain about the couple of areas that you're going to see on the keyboard. The keyboard itself is these 5 colorful keys. All the commands, symbols and letters you achieve by swiping on these 5 keys. This area on the top, it's called cheat sheets, and this is where you can find all the combinations that you need if you ever forget them or if you don't know them yet. So you can flick through these different pages, and you can access the cheat sheets at any time by swiping down on the orange key. So you swipe down on the orange to switch the cheat sheet on, and then if you don't need it anymore, you switch it off like this. Now this gray stripe is used for the dictionaries. You can use Five Tiles with or without the dictionaries, and I will show you now how to switch them on and off as well. So you will notice that on the second page of the cheat sheet you have the dictionaries, and now you press and you will see that the dictionary has been switched off, but also the cheat sheets show you the move to activate and deactivate these dictionaries, which is yellow, blue, green. So now when you switch the cheat sheets off, you can also access the dictionaries by repeating this move: yellow, blue, green. The next very important thing in the keyboard is the learning mode. You can access the learning mode by swiping up on the yellow key. In the learning mode, it is very easy to write the letters, because once you find the letter that you want to write on the key, let's say we want to say hello, we're looking for H, it's on the green key, we press and hold, and we see that from green we have to slide to yellow to get H. Also, you see this gray arrow on top of the keyboard, which confirms that yes, actually, if you release right now, this is what you're gonna write. This is gonna be H. So then we're looking for E. You press and hold, you slide to the red, and this is how you write E. L is gonna be yellow, and I see I have to slide to green. And the same goes for O. I press and hold, and I slide to the red. Now let's say I want to put the exclamation mark. So all the punctuation starts and ends on the red key. So space is a single tap on the red, and if I release now, I would get space to the text. Now if I want to delete this space, on top of the blue key I have a delete, and I slide up on the blue, I delete. Now red, and I'm going all the way left until I see the exclamation mark. So it's red to green, and now I have to go back, and that's how I get the exclamation. If you ever forget, you go to the cheat sheets, you look for the page with all the punctuation marks, and now when you press the symbol, it's going to write it in the text, but also it shows you the move for this. So this is very easy to remind you which combination use for any given character.